Hello and welcome to the Daily Pashupati Show. Today's question is, why am I so lonely? I want to talk, but no one sees me. Hi, my name is Guru Pashupati, and today I'm going to go into this question. You are lonely, and anybody is lonely, not just you. Anybody is lonely when nobody else finds them of any value. And this is a bitter truth, that if you're lonely, you're not being of value to anybody around you, which is why nobody wants anything to do with you. So if you want to reverse this, it's very much possible. That's the good news. But if you're ready to accept this fact that you aren't being of any value, that's a great self-reflection. How can I be of value? But there are lots of things going to come in the way, because you'll have your ego come in the way, where you expect people to love you and appreciate you without you adding any value in their life. That's a disease. That's something you really got to cure yourself of. You could take your hand like this and slap yourself, okay? And then you really got to do this. You've got to wake yourself up and leave that ego to the side. If you put it to the side, just take it out in whatever way you know, okay? If you want to coax it out in some other way other than the way that I told you, there are many ways to drop your ego and face the truth and say the truth. Do it as harshly or as kindly as you want, but do it. It's urgent right now. Otherwise, you're going to sink more into loneliness. All right. So if you're feeling lonely, you're already like a ship that's starting to sink. So if you want to lift it out, you have to. If you don't want to, sink all the way down into depression or any of that, or if you have already got there, the only way to go up is to ask yourself, I have had enough of feeling sorry for myself. Am I going to be of any value to people now or not? What do I mean by value? Everybody needs something. If you want to be of value to someone, you need something called empathy, and you need to understand what it is that they actually want in life. And you say, hey, you want this, right? I can hand that to you. I can help you do that. And you need to volunteer, and then you'll have self-doubt. But what if I can't deliver on? So you got to also deal with that. You've got to take that also out and throw it out. Okay. I do a workshop called Karma Visarjana, where over 2 days people come face to face with all of these truths. I give them tools to do this. It's really a 6-hour workshop. I can't answer this question right there, but actually we have inherited a lot of karma of worthlessness from our ancestors and from the people around us who have given us the feedback that we are not really useful. So that sits in our causal body and causes us to feel terrible about life. All right. So if you can wake up by yourself with the force of your sincerity to actually be of value to people, then you don't need my help. But if you do need my help, do reach out. Anybody who's feeling lonely, I do this fabulous workshop where you can go layer by layer, step by step, gently into your own soul, your own invisible parts of your existence, which we call the causal body. And over there you can find that all of these are clustered in there, blocking you. It will be choking you. You will have a feeling of it in your physical body. So find out where you're feeling it in the physical body. If you can somehow change that feeling, then you can change your actions, you can change your thinking. All of our thinking, of especially the negative thoughts, are automatic. Yeah, we call them ants, automatic negative thoughts, right? So if you have all these ants in your body, then you need to pick them out and throw them out. Literally, you need to throw them out, right? So there's a long course that I do, a 6-hour course, which will help you to throw those things out. If you're interested for the next one, I don't know where the next one is, but just contact me, and if I'm still doing this course again, I will definitely invite you, and you will feel better for sure. And when you talk to someone but nobody sees you, it's simply because you're not projecting any value, that you don't have empathy. That's what you have to understand. Listen, I can tell you that, look at these people, they're so mean, they're neglecting you, the golden boy, girl, or whoever you are. But I don't want to tell you that, because the fact is that if the problem is outside you, you've lost your power already. So when somebody tells you that the problem is in you, understand that they're saying that the power is also in you. That's exactly what I'm saying. I want you to feel empowered about this, that there's a problem within me. That's great. I can get rid of it. It's under my purview. I don't need anyone's permission to get rid of it. You see, when you say you're lonely, it's always blame. Other people don't actually have the time to spend with me. But get out of that dialogue. It's not going to take you anywhere. All right. Now, just to make you feel better, I too was in that. So many people go through that phase. Somehow life kicks it out of us at some point when we finished, when we hit the rock bottom. But that's the long way. If you want the short way, contact me. If you want the long way, just wait. You cannot feel like this forever. No feeling lasts forever. You're going to feel better. I promise you. I pray for you. Om Namah Shivaya. Thank you very much for watching. And if you have more questions, send them over. Leave a comment or send us a message. And please, if you like this answer, if you think I spoke the truth, then hit share. More people need to hear this, don't you think? And subscribe to this channel, subscribe to my page for real new content every day, which keeps you, opens your mind every day. And I'm really looking forward to speaking more to you about all of the questions that are bothering you. And I'll see you very soon in the next video.